Hello guys, I'm Rahul. Today we are going to talk about some important topics in pointers. Pointers and arrays. An array is a set of elements of same data type. Pointer is the set of address of the same data type. Pointer stores the address of the another variable, but array is a collection of same type of elements at contiguous memory locations. An array of pointers can be generated. Means you can create address of some 5 to 10 elements in array elements, and a pointer to an array can also be generated. Means a set of array elements of 5 to 10 are there. You can take the address from it. You can generate an address from each and every element. Let's see an example so that the difference between array and pointers can be seen. Domain and I'm declaring I a of 5 asterisk p pointer variable of 5 enter the elements and then for I is equal to 0 less than 5 I plus plus it runs up to 0 to 5, and then I'm getting the elements percentage d ampersand a of I. Now here I'm taking p value as equal to ampersand address of a of I, so that on p each element address will be stored. Sorry guys, p of I, because we don't have just only one number, an array of numbers, right? And then printf, and then I'm removing this line. And then now we'll print the same numbers using pointers. Asterisk p of I. To differentiate and show you, I'm just adding a printf elements printed using array and then pointers. What I've done is I've got some elements, 5 elements, and then I'm storing the address of that 5 elements in p of 1, p of 2, p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, like that. And then from that address I'm calling it address value, so that it returns the value. Let us see the output of it. Enter the elements. I'm just randomly giving some 5 elements. Okay, I think I should have used /n so that it can be seen clearly how the element has been printed. Yeah guys, see, we got the output as same as we get in array elements and pointers. Only thing is code is different. First we are storing the address of the 5 array elements in P, and then we are taking the address corresponding address value here. That's it. That's the difference between array and pointers. Now let's go to next topic, pointers and functions. If you have a doubt that whether functions can use pointers, there is no doubt we can use pointers in functions. A function can also return a pointer to the calling function. If you return a pointer connected to a local variable, that pointer will be pointing to nothing when the function ends. Means like you are declaring a pointer inside a local function. Then if you come out of that function, you cannot use that variable because it has nothing in it, no value in it. That's it. And it is possible to declare a pointer pointing to a function which can be used as an argument in another function. You can use the pointer from one function to another function. Let us see an example how to call the function using pointers. I'm just taking these lines. And then let me do a simple program how to snap numbers between, and then A of 20, B 34, some random numbers I'm giving, nothing else. I'm having a function swap. Yeah, I'm just taking the address of it, A and B. Then now I'm just printing A equal to %D, and then I'm giving a A. I'm printing the numbers A and B. That's it. Now here I'm just calling, I'm just adding what to do in that function. Let's swap int asterisk some other variable n1, int asterisk n2, and then here it is a local variable, so the variable something I'm taking it as a variable, and then that variable equal to pointer of n1 and then that n1, I'm changing the value of n1 to n2. Now n2 equal to that variable, that is n1. It will take the value of n1. What I have done is I have given the address over here, and then from that address I am taking the value from it. Corresponding address value is taken over here, and I am just swapping it. And then I forgot to add this globally so that no error comes. And if you run this program, you will get to know that I have given a equal to 20, but here a equal to 34. See, I have not changed over here b and a. I have given a for a and b for b. A equal to 34, but here 20, and b is equal to 20 over here 34. That's it, guys. Next, we'll move on to pointers and characters. Strings. From now onwards we'll see about some character strings in pointers. Pointer can also be used to store the address of the characters and strings. For a string, address is incremented every time to access the memory location. Means for a string stretch of characters, if we take apple, first it will take the first index of the A's address, and then we have to change the memory location to take the next element p. Likewise we have to do to take the address and then print memory location. When a string is assigned to a pointer variable, it takes the initial index of the string. Yeah, first thing I said, right? If you take a string apple, first it will take the address of the first letter A. Now let us see an example how it works. Let us take something, string of some 6 characters. For safer side, we'll put 10. If you are giving something for a character string, you have to give within double quotes. So I'm giving some orange as a word because I like orange, and then character pointer variable. I'm declaring pointer variable which is equal to that string. While loop. Why I'm using while loop is, I'll tell you. Wait a minute. Not equal to null character /0 represents null character, and then printf first let's see. Why I have given %c is, I already said that a pointer takes only address of a single character at a time. It cannot take address of the stretch of strings. To more differentiate it, I'll tell you why I'm using while loop. Other thing is, and then I said, right, every time I have to increment the address so that it can go to the next memory location. How it works is, first I'm taking a string of like orange, and then I'm making this pointer variable equal to such string. First time it takes the address of the first letter O and checks corresponding address value of O, it's O, and then it is not equal to the null character, so it prints over here, and then it goes again and incremented to next memory location. Address is incremented to next memory location, and then it will take the next corresponding value of the address or not equal to null character, and then it will print. Likewise, the loop continues up to E, and then there is no character over here, so the loop ends and comes out. How it works actually? Sorry guys, I have declared P over here. That's it. Orange, you got. To clearly understand how it actually prints is, I'm just putting /n over here and then running it. Every time it prints a single letter at a time. First O enters into the loop and it will check whether the condition satisfies or not. It is not equal to null character, so satisfies, and then prints O, and then the memory location is changed to R's memory address, and then R will be checked with condition, and if it is satisfied it will enter, and then the loop continues until you'll get a null character over there. That's it guys. Let's move on to, I hope you will be understood. Let's move on to next topic called array of pointers. First we have said that what is array and what is pointers, how we can generate array of pointers can be taught in this topic. An array of pointers would be a collection of addresses. It is just nothing but you have set of some 10 array elements, and then we are storing the address of the 10 array elements and then using it for further purposes. The addresses present in it be the addresses of isolated variables or addresses of array elements or any other address. It can be anything. Rules apply to array of pointers same as that of array of data types. We know that 4 data types: integer, float, character, double. What are the rules applied for array, for using array over there is same as using the pointers. An array of pointers can even contain the address of the array's elements. Yeah, same thing. Let us see an example to understand more clearly about the topic array of pointers. I have taken an example over here, that is, I have taken of 4 city names: Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, and then I am using temporary variable R and C, that is rows, and it represents rows and columns over here, and then I am just printing the cities. First of all, how it works is, first it will take the first string's first letter's address. Pointer takes the first letter's address, and then corresponding value is checked, and if it is not equal to null character, it is entering into the loop, and it is printing the letter, and then column is changed from 1 to 2, and corresponding address is taken, and address corresponding value is H, and it is not equal to null character, it satisfies, and then it prints. After finishing up to high, it will check there is no character over here, so null character, and then the loop ends and comes out. I'm just telling it to come to a new line, and it comes to new line, and then R is incremented to 2, R is incremented to 0 and 1, actually that next row, and then C starts from 0 again, and then the loop continues. This is how array of pointers works. Thank you guys for watching this video.